Hello, welcome to Learning Portico. I am Rakesh. We were going through parts of speech and today's our topic is conjunction. What are conjunction? Conjunction are the joining words. They are used to join words, group of words, phrases and sentences. Mainly, conjunction is originated from the word junction, which means connectors or the linkers. These are used to join words, group of words, phrases and also the sentences. Here are the example. Ridhima bought a dress and a pair of shoes. Suresh cannot go out because the gate is locked. Here and because are the conjunction used in the sentence. As said earlier, conjunction are the connectors and also the linkers. In few sentences, conjunction are also used at the beginning of a sentence. After the rain stopped, the dog ran into the mud to play. Because I was late to class, I was punished. Here, after because is the conjunction used at the beginning of a sentence. What are the types of conjunction? There are mainly three types of conjunction. Coordinating conjunction, which are also called the coordinators, correlative conjunction and the subordinating conjunction. Let us see one by one. Coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction join together sentences or clauses, words or group of words that are equally important. Mainly the coordinators or the coordinating conjunction are used to join together the sentences or clauses which are equal in importance. Let us see the example of coordinating conjunction. Here are the example of coordinating conjunction. We can learn the example of coordinating conjunction through the famous acronyms FANBOYS, where F is for, is and, N is nor, B is but, O is or, Y is yet and S is so. Let us see the example. Let me take the medicine for fever. The bus arrived and the students got into it. He has not got his book nor has she got hers. We reached the ground on time but the match started late. You can go there by bus or take the flight. John plays basketball well, yet his favorite sport is cricket. She is kind, so she helps people. These were the example of coordinating conjunction. Next one is correlative conjunction. Let us see the definition of correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are used in pairs. These are used for joining either words or sentences. They appear in pairs and are used to link equivalent sentences. Mainly the correlative conjunction are in pairs to link the equivalent sentences. Let us see the example of it. Here are the example of correlative conjunction. So that the tsunami was so powerful that it destroyed the entire city. Either or, either you complete the project by tomorrow or you leave the job. No sooner did I open my umbrella than it started raining. Although he is very famous, yet he is humble. Both and Dibya is both a dancer and a singer. So as the book is so interesting as you think. As he is as busy as a bee. Such as it is not such a book as you would like to read. Such that such was the condition of the house that raining was dripping from the roof. These were the examples of correlative conjunction. Let us see the next. Next one is subordinating conjunction. What is the definition? A conjunction used to connect group of words or two sentences, one of which is dependent on the other, is called subordinating conjunction. Which means mainly subordinating conjunction are used to connect the group of words. in which one is dependent on the other. Let us understand through example. Here are the different classes of subordinating conjunction. Manner. What is the example? As if, as though, according to, place, where, wherever, time, when, after, since, till, until, while, as soon as. Result. As that, such that, reason, as, since, because, so that. Purpose. That, so that, list. Condition. Unless, if, provided. Concession. Although, though, even if, however, although yet. Comparison. As much as, no less than. These were the different classes of subordinating conjunction with its example. This was the topic parts of speech conjunction. In next video, I will be back with other parts of speech. Till then, stay tuned, share the video, drop a like and also subscribe to my channel Learning Potico. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.